much video lately. Seems like we've been having some challenging days, but today is very nice so far. Marjorie's playing the ukulele. I've got 2 fishing lines out. We're in about 7,000 feet of water. Probably not going to catch anything out in the middle here, but maybe as we get closer to New Providence Island. And there's not much wind. I got our big code 0 out. I tried sailing for a while, but we were only making 3 knots or so, and we want to get to Nassau today because we got to address some of those challenges I talked about there. But the sea state is mild, so maybe 3-foot big rollers with a little wind chop. It's a beautiful day to hang out on the boat. Now we're sailing down to the Exumas from the Nassau area today, and it's kind of a little bit sporting, but not too bad. Waves are running 4 feet at a short period, so we're rock and rolling a little bit. But the wind's blowing really nice. We're moving really nice along. Got just the Genoa out, but making good speed and taking it easy. Going to cross an area called the Yellow Banks in about an hour. Where we'll have to be a little careful and keep a sharp lookout for coral heads. But I think the seas will kind of moderate a little bit as we get into the shallower water down there. So it should be a great day.
Should be fun.
We're hiking a trail we've been down before, and it's high tide, and at high tide it's partially submerged. There's a little tidal flat here. You can see a couple of boats out there. You can see water all the way to them, but it's only a couple inches deep.
Where's the ranger station?
Over there, behind us.
Oh, I'm so turned around.
Good morning.
Good morning. We're on a teeny island and we're already lost. We both thought we were on the east side of the island, and it turns out we're on the west side, and there's our boat. So we both thought we were way over on the other side.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing my Frolic shirt. See? And then I have a saying on the back.
Turn your look straight ahead.
It's my Christmas present from Doug, and I love it. This bridge is in the Sunshine Causeway. It's kind of a bridge to nowhere. Mostly because it's high tide at the moment.
pancakes this morning. We're in Elizabeth Harbor, and talking with people last night. I guess there's only about 160 boats here this year, which normally there'd be 200 to 300. So I think a lot of people are avoiding Bahamas this year because of Hurricane Dorian. But it's a super pleasant morning. I think it's going to be hot today. Here's our backyard this morning. We've got a newly minted drone pilot on the boat.
I got to fly my drone today.
Where's your drone?
My drone is right here. It's little. Look at this. This is the whole case. And I got it for Christmas. And it was a little easier than I expected, but also just as scary, just because you don't want to lose anything. But it was fun. We got to take it up to Monument Hill, which is right over behind us, and take a picture of the island and the boats around it. And I landed it successfully on my little landing circle. So it all went well.
So, it's a bit fun.